now for the fun part, stacking pillows and cushions. So for today, I'm using a headboard. So whenever I use a headboard, I don't use European cushions. I tend to use pillows. And because this is a master bedroom, I like 4 white pillows. So I'm going to ask my assistant Nicolene from Revamp Property Styling to help me today with those. So when you have your nice fluffy pillows, I always put the open side in the middle and the closed seam side on the side, just to look more professional when people walk around your bed. So just plump them up and give them a good iron when you're done. So you just stack them up, and the reason I do them up, it's just so that the eye goes up to the ceiling, making your ceiling look higher as well, instead of just having everything flat. So it creates a bit of interest and makes it look like it's been done professionally. So scatter cushions. I tend to use 3 to 5 scatter cushions. More than that is really overkill, I think. Keep them neutral, and if you have color on your bedroom walls, pick a color and then use that in one of your cushions. So in this case, I have neutral walls, so I can go neutral and add a bit of color. Okay, so with this one, you'll see there's a zip at the bottom. So as a professional, you always put the zip side at the bottom, never on top or at the sides. So just do a bit of color, mix and match your colors. It creates interest, makes it fun. And then my favorite, one nice accent cushion, a bit of texture, a bit of color, just brings everything together. And there you have it. Pillows done.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time with more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.